Welcome back everyone to JJ Central DIY channel. Today we're going to be talking about this Tuftex polycarbonate sheets. Those are about 12 feet long by 2 feet each, a little over 2 feet so you can overlap them. And there's 5 of them across 10 foot. I'll show you something really rare that someone doesn't show, which is what happens to this after 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Okay, let me go back and show you what my old polycarbonate sheets did and why I need to be replacing this. And this is after 8 years. All right, how long do these transparent Tuftex roofing material last? Starting to get brittle and break down. And the first time it broke down was about 7 years old. And you see the new panel there, much more transparent. UV kind of degraded the transparency and made it fuzzy, but still it protected pretty good in all snow, all northeast weather. So definitely 5-year mark. If you change it, it'll be perfect. 6 year, 7 year, 8 year is when you start seeing that degradation. We'll put the new one in and see how that. You can kind of see the degradation due to UV. It's not too bad, just the opacity level increases. You know, it's not so transparent anymore. And also you get all the stains and stuff. The main thing is it becomes brittle. That flexibility goes away. So eventually you'll get these things cracking. And that's why we are changing exactly at the 8-year mark. We're putting this ridge curved brace in there. We screwed right here. And then we can screw the Tuftex panel on top of this on the higher side of the ridge. And these are mated with the same company. So make sure you get the right one. So it goes just like that. Reason I don't have these, the ridge tape does not need to be here because the panel pretty much protects this, but that's where all the screws gets nailed on too. So to protect that is important. Using these screws with the rubber washer so that it kind of sits on the ridge, not on the valley. That way it's good, it won't leak. So there you have it, entire thing put in, real easy replacement, lasted 7, 8 years. So this is a good one, Tuftex. I would agree that it's good for like temporary structures, but for permanent structures, might as well go with metal roof or real roofing, like shingle roof like this. Right, see you in the next video.